Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Pierce, Washington. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Pierce County and West Central Washington until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eatonville, or 22 miles south of Q Allen, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eatonville. For your on the roof of a building. Large hail and damaging roofs and continuous climate to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Pierce, Washington. You are listening to NOAA. Severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Pierce County. Or 17 miles south of is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size.
Jeez, another one?
Radar indicates damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include the housing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: